Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your BMS with the battery here real quick using Solex. It's really simple. Just make sure that you put your Solo somewhere where it can free spin. If you don't leave the props on it and you take the props off to do this, make sure that you put a fan on the back side of the Solo to keep the motors cool, because they're going to be running for a considerable amount of time. My suggestion to you is fly the battery down until it reaches like 14 volts and then start this process when you get a chance. What we need to do is get the battery below 12 volts, and then it will reset the BMS, and then it will calculate the new battery that you've connected, and it just starts the bonding or the marriage process to the battery management system. So I'm going to show you how to do a battery calibration right now. You're going to go ahead and click on the three lines up in the left hand corner. We'll click there, we'll go down until we see vehicles. You see where it says vehicles, we'll click on that. Then you see where it says Solo Link Default VEH Flights 9. Click on that, and then you're going to take your finger and scroll all the way down to where it says Motor Test, Motor Hours, all that good stuff. And you're going to click Slow or Medium. I'm not sure I would leave your props on at medium. If you have them on slow, you can leave your props on. If you go medium, take your props off to do this and put a fan behind it. Do not do fast, okay? No matter what, don't do fast. Medium or slow. Medium, don't have your props on. Slow, you can leave your props on, then you don't need a fan because it'll be creating downward wind, and then all you have to do is hit start. You see where it says battery 14.90, 17% on the battery. If I were to hit start right now, it would run this battery completely down to 12 volts, and then the Solo would start beeping. It would completely shut down and go beep-dee-dee-deet, 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 and it would let you know that it's time to take the battery out of the Solo, let it sit for 5 hours, and then start its first charge cycle. So all I would do from here is go slow and then hit start. You'll hear the motors power on. This will spin the motors, selected speed, hit OK. You can hear the motors powering up now. All four motors are spinning. I would let this go until the drone completely died, and it will stop on its own. Okay? So that's how you do a battery calibration. Remember, when it's done, so we'll go ahead and stop it.